Learn Kiswahili. I will call you. Nitakuita. Where did you go? Ulienda wapi? I went to the market. Nilienda sokoni. I took it. Niliichukua. I gave up. Nilikata tamaa. I woke up early. Niliamka mapema. I won. Nilishinda. I lost. Nilipoteza. I saw. Niliona. I got it or I found it. Niliipata. Please go to YouTube.